Good morning, fifth graders. Wow, it was so fun to see a lot of you yesterday. Thank you so much for coming to pick up the plants. The other plants, if you didn't get a chance to pick it up yesterday, are going to be in the front lobby of our Eden Lake. And it's in our lunch bucket blue bin. So you can just go there and pick it up. The school should be open tomorrow. Just right in the lobby. I think there's still Eagle Zone for essential workers, but you can go in there and grab your bag. It has your name and everything you need is in there. So just take your bag. All right. The other thing today is math, Fastbridge. So what I would like you to do is to make sure that you do that today. You can do it anytime you need to or want to and just have it done. And just remember that just do your best. And I know this is not a good time to be testing and the circumstances are crazy and I get it. But we still have to do them and I still have to give them so you know how to take these tests and it's all on your iPad. So just do your best, give it your best shot. That's all I ask. So after this part, I will have another explanation of how to get through Fastbridge, and that's all you need to remember. So your morning question will be written after this video in your discussion part. All right, so good luck today. I am really proud of you guys. I know this is so hard. This pandemic has turned a lot of different things and thrown things at us, and you guys are doing a really good job. So keep at it. Do what you can. Do the best you can. I believe in you. Go for it. All right. So go ahead and listen to the rest of this video and then take your Fastbridge math portion of it, and we'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Thanks. All right, so let's just start off, and you know that you have a Fastbridge icon on there. So why are we taking this test? And it's based on that our school district has decided to have you take this test. And obviously, we're going to test the learning from home. The test you will take is like the ones you've done at school this year. And I will be able to see your score, and we'll use this to help plan lessons for when you do return to school. Okay? So getting ready for this test. Find a quiet place to take the test. And I know some of you have little choices of quiet, but as quiet as you can, okay? Get working ear devices. Please find some headphones, earbuds, whatever you can, and do a hard reset of your iPad, which means that I need you to close all your apps and then push your power button and your home button together. That way everything's cleaned out and we start fresh, and then the Fastbridge will work a little bit better. So when you finally are done, I want you to come back and log into your icon, and it should bring you to this website, app.fastbridge.org. And then you're going to log in just like you did this fall and winter. All right, so now once you are in at the website, please make sure that you put in your full name. So no nicknames, right? So Mimi would not be using her Mimi. She would be using her full name that's on record. And then your student ID. So it's your 6400 number, 9300 number. And then everyone's password is the same, 12345, all right? If you need help logging in, please email me or Google Chat me or even meet. I know I'll be meeting with certain people, but you can just jump in and say, Mrs. Taylor, I can't get logged in, and I'll try to help you with getting in. All right, so today, make sure you are going to do a math. Today's portion of Fastbridge is math. Some of your friends are taking the reading. That's okay. We're doing math, Okay, so have scratch paper by you, have a pencil ready to go, and click on A Math. All right, we have done this twice, and I know it's very different because you are doing this on your own. But I believe in you, and I know you can do this. You've got this, right? And remember, once you start the test, do your best and take your time. Solve the problems. Try your very best. Remember to use your paper and use your notes. I am trusting all of you to just do your best. You don't need to ask anyone for help. If you do need to read a word or something, or you don't understand the word, you can chat me and I will help you. Or pop in and say, I don't know what this word is, and I can try to explain it. So emailing me, chat with me, or pop into Google Meet, okay? You've got this, you guys. You can do this. So please do your math portion sometime today. Thank you. Good luck.